That's the parking during day, yes. I was parked here between those trucks. It's almost 10 a.m. so I guess that it's time to go. It is time to go. And we are just in front of Germany. Oh my god, Germany, Deutschland. Why we are entering Germany? Because we have to cross Germany to get to Spain. España. Yes, Deutschland. Obviously we have control at the border, yeah, so it's not Schengen. It's like 50% of Schengen, yeah. And from here I have 576 kilometers to a parking. And I already have a reservation for this parking. It's actually Autohof, yeah, but with security. So yeah, like, I like it, okay? I like it because we are just going via Germany and I don't have to be worried about the parking place. It is something like I cannot even imagine, you know, like how it can be possible. Like, I don't need to be worried about parking place in Germany because it's already reserved for me, yeah? It's like, whoa. So right now I have to be worried about the Stau. Yeah, Stau, because I have to be there something like 7 p.m. Yes, Navi is telling me I will arrive at 6 p.m. but we will drive faster than 80 kilometers per hour, so it's going to be even like 5:30 p.m. And obviously I have to calculate 45 minutes of break on the way, so it's going to be something like 6:30, let's say. Yeah, 6:30, almost 7, yeah. So we kinda don't have time for Stau. Obviously I can be late, yeah, but if I will be late, then obviously maybe there will be no place to park, yeah, like, you know. Yeah, we have control. It's the same as before, yeah. Actually today I have uploaded a movie like driving in Poland and entering Germany. It's basically the same border, like everything is the same. Sometimes I'm just lowering my camera because, you know, we are not living in a free country, okay? And I don't want to go to jail. There was a car, you know, from Belarus, and obviously he got stopped. And this guy in front of me, you know, this VW, it is from Finland, and they got stopped, you know, and there was like one boy, you know, going with police officer from this Flixbus. It's crazy, you know, they are controlling, they are like, come here, come, yeah, Papieren. So they are basically saying, come here, yeah, ich brauche deinen Passport, ja, Passport, keine Passport, no passport, Hans, get the Luger. I'm driving and I know that I will have place to park. It's like I don't know what to say. It sounds like unbelievable, okay? It is just unbelievable in Germany. You are driving and you will finish driving around 7 p.m. and you will have place to park. Holy shit. Even the oldest truck drivers, they are not familiar with this feeling, okay? It's something, it's like VIP, okay? It's like royalty, okay? That is exactly what you can see when you want to park in Germany. I mean, exactly. That's exactly what you see. Amazing, right? Just amazing. I just wanted to park for a quick break, okay? Just for a toilet. Nothing important. But imagine that you have to park, you know, for something important. Okay, so look at this. I will show you what you can expect in Germany. At 6 p.m. We have 6 p.m. I will show you. Oh, I think that you can see from here already. Oh my god. Yeah, it's so full. Holy. I'm not going here even, you know, like, look, this guy is parked here. Guys are parked there, even though there is a place for passenger cars. And look at this. Very nice, you know. Extremely nice view. I love it, you know, I just love it. I don't have to park. I'm just here to show you. That's all. It's just heaven, you know, it is a parking paradise. Whoa. Someone left this trailer. That is a free place. No, it is not. He left this trailer and he parked there, like, what? He's taking two places. It should be a crime. Yeah, we are waiting, you know. Let him take his time, yeah. I have a lot of time, so I can wait. Yeah, he made it. Like, is he going to drive forward again or not? Nah, he made it. Nice. We have a parking place here, but I think that we both know what to expect. Yeah, just look at this. It's very small parking, but it's full of trucks. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Here we have a parking place. Do you want to see? Come on, let's see. Let's use this daylight, you know, we still have some daylight. So let's see how bad it is here. I think this one is a bit bigger one, but it doesn't change the fact that, yeah, trucks are parked even here. Like, I'm not entering there, yeah. Like, look at this. I'm not even entering. It's crazy. It's fucked up. Oh, we have a Burger King here. Anyway, yeah, they are parked even here. They're far away parked, you know. Very, very shitty situation. Yeah, there everything is full. I'm not even going there, yeah. We are just driving forward. Because I don't want to have a situation where I will have to just squeeze between those trucks, you know, and it will be like inches, you know, millimeters one from another. I mean, even here it's not the best situation ever, but I'm, you know, like, it's nothing new for me, okay? I got used to it. But it might be much worse, you know. They should put those mirrors, you know. It's very dangerous to be parked like that with your mirrors wide open, because you can lose them pretty easily. Yeah, that's a proper way to fold your mirror when you are parked, and that's it, you know. We are just getting the fuck out from here because nothing to do here, yeah. I still have 16 kilometers to my parking. That was the last parking, yeah, on the way, so unfortunately I'm not going to show you another one. And what about my parking place? Company reserved a place on Autohof, so I got instructions that I'm just approaching the gate and it's going to open automatically, because it will recognize my license plate. So that's all I have to do, just approach the gate. And it's paid from 7 PM up to 7 AM, 12 hours. So like, I don't have to pay for it, I'm just entering, sleeping, and I'm leaving. That's what I will do. As you can see, that's the parking. I'm looking for the way to enter. Because we cannot park here. No, it must be this parking. I will just go there and I will see. Hello and welcome. Welcome. As you can see, we have another day and we are driving. I just left my parking, this one here. 7 AM, yeah, we have 7 AM. Oh, I'm supposed to go like that? Yes. I'm looking for exit, yeah, from this Autohof. Yeah, we have 500 kilometers, look. We have 500 kilometers to drive. Okay, it's here. Yeah, I will put those seat belts, you know, just because the sound is so annoying. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, highway. Ja, ich brauche Autobahn. Oh my god, the sun. That's better. Good. 500 kilometers, which will be something like 6 hours, yeah, 7 hours with break, or even 2 breaks, because I need to be there at 3 PM. Yeah, it's good time. It's good. We are moving a bit slower because there is a traffic jam, and sometimes we are even stopping, but it doesn't bother me, you know. I'm like, okay, because I have plenty of time. I have parking reserved for me in France. Holy shit. Like, it doesn't bother me, you know, at all. Can you see how circumstances are changing? Yeah, if you have parking, you know, that is reserved, and if you have plenty of time and you are not stressing yourself, you know, and it's crazy. Oh my god, look at this. Yes, we are leaving Germany. I have just, I don't know, 1 kilometer to France. France, finally. Oh my god, finally, come on. Let's just do it. Yeah, it's here, the border is just here. I was already crossing this border some time ago, so I know what is what here, okay? I know what is what. Yeah, we can just like that join. Obviously we have controls when you want to enter Germany, right? I will show you. Yes, and yeah, like, welcome to France already, yeah? Oh my god, France. It's very windy, and sometimes it's raining. I think that we are going to have much better weather tomorrow, much closer to Spain. Very nice. Look at this. 154 kilometers of driving forward and 155 kilometers to the parking. I will arrive there at 2:54 p.m. which is perfect because the parking is reserved from 3 p.m. so it's perfect. Oh, very nice, you know, very nice. I will overtake them, you know. It's not like I have to, but I got used to it. Do you see this truck in front of me? It's from Poland, and the driver is a blonde lady. Something like, I don't know, 35 years old, 40 years old. I was trying to overtake her uphill, you know, and I was like almost, you know, almost, like she was right here, you know, right here, and she basically reduced a gear, you know, she dropped a gear and that's it, and she was like, shh. Shame on me, shame, you know. Holy shit, I'm not going to overtake her again. I mean, I'm not going to try, yeah, because she will drop a gear and I will be loser again, you know. No, I'm not going to give her this satisfaction again. No way. I have just 40 kilometers, yeah, 40 kilometers to my parking. The weather is not welcoming. It's cloudy, it's windy, it's raining a bit. Almost 15 degrees, not bad. But still, it could be better. It's France after all, yeah? And like, it's almost the middle of March, for God's sake. As you can see, I have left the highway and I'm very close to this parking. It's somewhere here, behind this company. It might be actually like some kind of company parking, yeah, but with better security, which is important. Yeah, it's here, this one. Okay.